Now everyone see question number 13. It is to be proved cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to, the question is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Now see, sin 4x and sin 8x can be formed with the help of compound angle formula and utilized with the multiple angle formula. So let us see first, a square minus b square can be written as a minus ba plus b. So I have written it cos 2x minus cos 6x into cos 2x plus cos 6x. Now cos c minus cos d, compound angle formula you are having cos c minus cos d, cos c plus cos d. Apply that. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now simply subtract and divide by 2. It will be minus 2 sin 4x into sin minus 2x, and here 2 cos 4x into cos minus 2x. Now you know sin minus theta is minus sin theta and cos minus theta is cos theta. So this minus, it will come out of it and it will make it plus. Now we will pair in a proper way. 2 sin 4x, I will pair it with cos x into cos 4x. Cos 4x. I have brought them together. 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. Again, with this 2 sin 2x paired with cos 2x. So now you can see 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. Now it will make 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta. So I can write it as sin twice of 4x, sin 2 theta, and here also it will be sin twice of 2x. So it will form sin 8x into sin 4x. Now you see, this is your RHS to be proved. Sin 8x into sin 4x, that is your RHS. That is equal to the RHS. So finally we can write, therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence verified it is. In this way we can see the questions can be solved if you understand which formula to be applied where. That is the major task. So whenever you are getting this cos c minus cos d type of results, then you can proceed, you can go ahead with the sum or difference to product formula, which already I have discussed. Now again, going ahead with that, I have applied here multiple angle formula. You can write here multiple angle formula. By multiple angles formula, where I applied. In this way we can proceed further. See, it is not necessary to write the reasons, but you have to understand. That's why you are writing the reasons. Let us proceed with the next more two questions. Now everyone see question number 21. In question number 21, the question is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Now see, it's a question where we have to change this sum or difference to product so that we can get common and we can find the result. Because cot 3x we have to prove, that means it is simplified. Now we have to pair in a proper way, otherwise we may have some calculation problems. So I have paired 4x and 2x. Now you have to keep it in your mind. 4 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. So we are getting 3. So this is a trick to solve this type of question. First of all, you add these angles, wherever the angles are there. And you try that we should get either of the one. Either the difference divided by 2 we should get, or the sum divided by 2 we should get. Now everyone, so we have to see this trick. Either sum of the angles divided by 2 we should get the other functions. Now see, cos 4x plus cos 2x, here I have added sin 4x plus sin 2x. Now see, cos c plus cos d, you know the formula, cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here also cos sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Leave these as it is. Now see, 4x plus 2x, as you know, 6x by 2, that is 3x. Here also the same, 2x divided by 2, that is x. Here also same, 3x, and it is x. Now see, from here can we take common cos 3x in the numerator? So we will get 2 cos x plus 1. In the denominator you see, can we take common sin 3x? Again you see what is common. Sin 3x common, what is left? 2 cos x plus 1. Now see, the both term can be cancelled. I suggest everyone to cancel in a proper way. Now cos x by sin 3x, cos 3x by sin 3x, it is cot 3x. And that is your RHS. You can see that is to be proved in the RHS. So therefore we can say LHS is equal to RHS. It is verified. Now we will see the last question of this exercise, question number 25. And thereafter it is your homework to solve all the rest questions. Wherever you face problem, you can directly contact me for any type of solution or help. Now let us see question number 25 of exercise 3.3. It is the last question of the exercise. But it is a good question. This type of questions can come in your test or the examinations. Now see, cos 6x. There are two methods to do it. Either you write thrice of 2x or you can write twice of 3x. Means either you can have the concept here as 6 can be written as twice of 3x, or you can write 6x is equal to thrice of 2x. Either of the method you can apply here. Accordingly, formula will be applied. Now see, cos thrice, I have used thrice of 2x. So cos 3 theta, using the formula of cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now see what I have done. 4 cos cube theta, here theta is 2x, minus 3 cos theta, theta is 2x. Now it is cube. Cos 2 theta we are having the formula. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So in place of cos 2x I have written 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube. Minus 3 again I have written for cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1. According to this formula. Now a minus b whole cube. You have to take care while doing the expansion of it. A minus b whole cube. We are having the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube is 2 cube 8 and its cube is cos 6 minus b cube is 1 because minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Then 3a square b. So a square is 4 square into 3 12 and it is cos 4x cos to the power 4x plus then 3ab square. So 3 2 is 6 cos square x into b square minus 1 square is 1, so it is 6 cos square x. Now here also 3 2 is 6 cos square x plus 3, you think minus also multiplied. Now you can see 32, we can just simply simplify it. 4 is 32 minus 4 and 48 and 4 is 24. Now you subtract. 24 minus 6 is 18 and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So we can write it as, let us write in descending order of exponents. So cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x, 24 minus 6 is 18 plus 18 cos square x. Then what is left? Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. You can easily see we have proved 32, it is 32 cos to the power 6x, 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. In this way we can prove this type of questions. Wherever this type of multiple angle questions are there, we have to take care. We have to convert into the simplest one. So in this way we can proceed further and we can solve the exercise 3.3 all. In my next video I will dictate with the exercise 3.4, which is based upon trigonometric equations.